Hello everybody, Toby again with 216 Auto Restoration 1972 GMC Suburban 4x4 3-door 3-seater. Last video I think I put out, I just had this all taped off and ready to spray the white. I got that done. You see down here. And now I'm taping it off right now, get ready to spray the inside. Like I said, I'm gonna paint all of the inside. It's pretty much all ready to go. Got to get it taped off though. But here's a look at the roof. Looks nice and shiny. Pain in the butt to get to for sure, but I had this nice little roll around ladder. Made it super, not super simple, but way more accessible than just a regular ladder. The only hard part was getting it off of my loft by myself and bringing it down the stairs. It about killed me. Anyways, got this all painted white here. This looks pretty good. Like I said, got the windows out, got the new seals in, sitting out there. Getting ready to put them on the windows, and then once I get it painted, put those back in. There you go. It's looking pretty good, coming along really good. Clean it up, and it'll be ready to spray the inside. One last look before it's painted a different blue. Oh, got the engine compartment fairly clean. Got a lot of dust on it and stuff, but looks a lot better than it did before. Yep, it's getting there, everybody. So thank you for following on, and take care.